Welcome to the Paint app. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to create terms and conditions for your quotes. To start, head over to the side menu and click on Settings. Then, navigate to the Quote Settings tab, where you'll find the section for terms and conditions towards the bottom of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Add T&C. Click on it and a form will pop up where you can enter details such as category and subcategory, along with the content. Under Category, you'll see Inclusions listed, which refers to what will be included in your quote or the painting service. Other options include Exclusions, Specification, and Painting Application. For Inclusions, go ahead and select that option. You can then type in what's included, such as use of premium quality paint and Dulux or equivalent. There are formatting options available here as well. For example, you can bold certain text like Dulux to give it emphasis. You might also choose to italicize it if you wish. Once you're done, click on Add Term, and you'll see a message indicating it was successful. You can proceed by creating other terms under Specification. In Specification, you'll find subcategories like Preparation, Application, Colors, Toxic Substrates, Client Responsibilities, Environment, Variation, License, and others. We recommend filling out a T&C for each subcategory to provide comprehensive details about your services. For instance, select Preparation, and let's craft some terms for it. Here, you might write something like, flaking or loose paint will be scraped or sanded to a solid surface, among other terms. Once added, you'll again see a confirmation message that your terms were successfully added. After creating all necessary terms for your quotes, you can select the ones you wish to use as standard, ensuring they are automatically included in every quote. Select the desired terms and then click on Save Changes. You'll receive a confirmation that your terms and conditions are now ready to be sent with your quotes. Thank you.